Welcome to the final chapter of our incredible journey across this vast nation, where destruction paves the way for beautiful new beginnings. For 20 long episodes, we have witnessed the raw power of heavy machinery, tearing down the old to build the future. Today, we stand on the precipice of a brand new era, watching the golden sunrise illuminate the massive cleared construction sites. The dust has finally settled over the vast Iranian landscape, revealing the immense scale of the completed Phase 1 cleanup operation. Countless tons of concrete and twisted metal have been carefully removed, leaving behind a perfectly blank canvas for the next ambitious architecture. We look back at the heroic efforts of our dedicated teams, who worked tirelessly through harsh weather and extremely challenging conditions. Every shattered wall and broken pillar represented a crucial step forward, clearing the necessary space for modern infrastructure to eventually rise. These towering yellow excavators are no longer roaring with destructive fury. They now rest silently after completing their monumental demolition tasks. Observe how the massive steel tracks sit quietly on the freshly leveled earth, a testament to the hard work just finished. The morning light reflects off the scratched paint of the bulldozer blades, telling silent stories of the intense labor they endured. Operators are finally stepping down from their elevated cabins, taking a very special moment to appreciate the vast emptiness they have created. This empty space is not a symbol of loss, but rather a powerful statement of infinite possibilities and bright future developments. Row upon row of heavy-duty demolition vehicles are now parked in perfect alignment, resembling a victorious army after a battle. The synchronized parking of these mechanical beasts highlights the incredible discipline and professional coordination of our exceptional site management crew members. Engineers walk proudly past the silent machines, carrying detailed blueprints that will soon transform this barren dirt into a thriving metropolis. You can almost hear the echoes of the hydraulic hammers fading away, replaced by the gentle morning breeze sweeping the plains. The demolition phase was a masterclass in controlled chaos, proving that tearing things down requires just as much precision as building. We celebrate the unsung heroes of the construction world, the brave individuals who risk everything to safely dismantle outdated urban structures. Their expertise ensures that surrounding neighborhoods remain completely untouched, while massive concrete giants are brought down to the ground with care. As the sun climbs higher into the clear blue sky, a profound sense of accomplishment washes over the entire project site. Now, the focus shifts entirely from breaking apart the past to carefully laying down the solid foundations of a prosperous future. Heavy transport trucks begin to arrive at the perimeter, carrying the essential raw materials needed for the upcoming massive construction phase. The distinct rumble of fresh diesel engines signals the arrival of the next generation of machinery ready to begin their work. Giant concrete mixers roll onto the pristine site, their large rotating drums promising strength and stability for the buildings to come. Surveyors are already busy marking the exact coordinates where the new structural pillars will be deeply anchored into the solid earth. This seamless transition from demolition to construction is a beautiful ballet of industrial logistics, perfectly timed to maximize efficiency and progress. Huge sections of steel rebar are being unloaded, ready to form the unbreakable skeleton of the magnificent skyscrapers planned for here. The rhythmic sound of metal clashing against metal creates a brand new symphony of progress echoing across the wide Iranian valley. Watching these massive logistical operations unfold reminds us of the incredible human capacity to reshape our environment for a better tomorrow. Each delivery truck plays a vital role in this grand vision, bringing the necessary puzzle pieces to complete the architectural masterpiece. The ground trembles slightly as the first heavy pile drivers are moved into their designated positions, ready to secure the foundation. These powerful machines will pound thick steel beams deep into the bedrock, ensuring that the new structures can withstand any earthquake. It is absolutely fascinating to witness the immediate shift in energy, from the chaotic dismantling process to highly organized structural assembly. The demolition workers watch proudly from the sidelines, knowing their hard work has successfully paved the way for this exciting moment. They share warm smiles and firm handshakes, acknowledging the successful completion of a highly dangerous and incredibly demanding phase of work. Safety helmets gleam in the sunlight as site managers review the final clearance reports, officially handing over the prepared land parcels. The air is filled with a renewed sense of hope and anticipation as the very first batch of fresh concrete pours. Thick gray concrete flows like a river into the deep trenches, slowly filling the geometric molds designed by the brilliant architects. Workers carefully smooth the wet surface, ensuring a perfectly level base that will support thousands of tons of steel and glass. This foundational pour is a critical milestone, officially marking the undeniable rebirth of a neighborhood that was once considered completely obsolete. In the distance, the first segments of a massive tower crane are being carefully hoisted into the air by mobile lifters. Piece by piece, the towering mechanical giant is assembled, stretching its long metallic arm toward the endless bright blue sky above. Tower cranes are the ultimate symbols of urban growth, acting as the quiet sentinels that oversee the rapid development of modern cities. Soon, multiple cranes will dot the horizon, working together in a synchronized dance to lift heavy materials to dizzying new heights. The contrast between the flat, cleared earth and the vertical ambition of the cranes creates a truly breathtaking visual dynamic here. Iran is experiencing a remarkable architectural renaissance, fueled by the relentless dedication of both the demolition crews and the construction teams. Every new building that rises from these ashes is a bold statement of resilience and a commitment to modernizing the entire nation. The golden sunlight bathes the entire construction site in a warm, cinematic glow, highlighting the intricate details of the exposed steel rebar. Shadows stretch long across the freshly poured concrete, creating striking geometric patterns that emphasize the precise layout of the new foundations. We can see the delicate interplay between raw industrial power and the elegant vision of modern urban planning taking shape today. The loud, rhythmic thumping of the pile drivers becomes the new heartbeat of this rapidly evolving and highly dynamic urban landscape. It is a sound of pure progress, a relentless drumbeat pushing the boundaries of what is possible in modern civil engineering. Sparks fly in brilliant showers as skilled welders connect the primary steel support columns, creating a brilliant display of industrial fireworks. These dedicated craftsmen work with incredible precision, knowing that the structural integrity of the entire building relies on their expert techniques. The sheer scale of this transformation is difficult to fully comprehend until you stand right here in the middle of it. What was once a chaotic pile of useless rubble is now a highly organized grid of endless potential and future prosperity. Local residents gather safely near the perimeter fences, watching with absolute amazement as their familiar neighborhood is completely reborn before them. Children point excitedly at the massive cranes, dreaming of the day they might work on such magnificent and important engineering projects. This project is not just about pouring concrete. It is about inspiring the next generation of builders, thinkers, and innovative creators. The demolition workers who started this journey 20 episodes ago can look at this incredible progress with immense pride and complete satisfaction. They were the brave pioneers who ventured into the dangerous ruins, clearing the path so others could safely follow and build. Without their initial sacrifices and backbreaking labor, none of this beautiful new architecture would ever be possible in this busy city. We must always remember that creation and destruction are two sides of the exact same coin in the world of development. You cannot have the shining new skyscrapers without first bringing down the decaying structures that no longer serve the growing community. The heavy excavators, now resting peacefully in their designated zones, look like proud parents watching their children take their first steps. Their massive metal buckets, scarred from months of crushing hard concrete, are now clean and quiet under the bright midday sun. The operators who commanded these mechanical beasts are now enjoying a peaceful rest, sharing stories and laughter over hot cups of tea. Their camaraderie is a beautiful testament to the strong bonds formed when people face incredibly difficult and dangerous challenges together daily. They are a unique brotherhood of demolition experts, bound by a shared respect for the immense power of their heavy machinery. As the afternoon progresses, the pace of construction only seems to accelerate, with more trucks arriving to deliver essential building supplies. The site is a buzzing hive of human activity, a perfect example of what coordinated teamwork and clear vision can achieve. Every single worker, from the crane operator to the concrete pourer, plays an absolutely vital role in this massive urban symphony. The rising steel frameworks begin to cast long, intricate shadows across the dusty ground, hinting at the impressive structures to come. It is truly magical to watch a flat architectural blueprint slowly transform into a massive, solid reality right before our very eyes. The golden hour approaches, painting the entire construction site in breathtaking shades of deep orange, vibrant pink, and soft purple light. This magical lighting turns the raw steel and wet concrete into a stunning cinematic masterpiece, celebrating the beauty of human industry. The setting sun reflects brilliantly off the glass cabins of the resting excavators, creating a spectacular and unforgettable visual farewell moment. We have traveled a long and dusty road together, witnessing the incredible transformation of Iran's urban landscapes over 20 thrilling episodes. From the explosive initial demolitions to this peaceful moment of new beginnings, it has been an absolutely unforgettable and inspiring journey. We have learned so much about the complex science of dismantling massive structures safely in the middle of densely populated cities. We have gained a profound new respect for the incredibly brave men and women who operate these terrifyingly powerful mechanical giants. Their unwavering dedication to safety and extreme precision is the only reason these massive urban renewal projects are ever truly successful. As the twilight begins to settle over the active construction site, the bright artificial work lights slowly begin to flicker on. The work does not stop when the sun goes down. The drive to build a better future continues long into the night. The illuminated tower cranes look like giant glowing beacons of hope, guiding the city toward a much brighter and stronger tomorrow. We want to extend our deepest gratitude to all the incredible demolition crews who allowed us to document their fascinating work. Your incredible skills have literally reshaped the face of this beautiful nation, preparing the solid ground for a new economic boom. To our loyal viewers, thank you for joining us on this dusty, noisy, and absolutely thrilling adventure through the demolition zones. We hope you have gained a new appreciation for the hidden artistry and intense labor involved in tearing down the old. The next time you see a cleared lot, remember the roaring excavators and the brave workers who made that space possible. Remember the careful planning, the controlled destruction, and the immense effort required to wipe the slate clean for a fresh start? The story of Iran's rapid modernization is written not just in new steel, but in the cleared rubble of the past. We leave you now with the beautiful sounds of progress, the rhythmic hammering, and the joyful laughter of the dedicated builders. May the foundations laid today support the towering dreams of tomorrow, standing strong against the test of time and natural element. This concludes our epic 20-part documentary series exploring the fascinating and highly dangerous world of heavy industrial demolition and urban renewal. We honor the sweat, the grit, and the relentless determination of every single person who contributed to these massive clearing operations. Thank you for watching this incredible journey with us. This is Demolition Worker, officially signing off until our next great adventure.